New $500 job match for you. Recently you filled out a job ad for paid app testing work. Here's the bad news, the specific job you applied for has now been taken by one of our members. And here's the good news, you've just been matched with a new job in our database. Go to the link below to see how you can access this job today. This job pays $25 per hour and has 20 hours available each week. That's a potential income of $500 per week. Your main role will be testing and reviewing new apps for app developers. These apps include gaming, social and photography apps. And you'll need to be comfortable writing your opinions up into 200 to 300 word docs. We've even arranged a short training course to help you with the ins and outs of this role. But, I must warn you. You've already missed out on one app testing job, and if you sit on this offer for too long it'll go to somebody else and you'll miss out again. So, if you're interested in earning $500 testing apps, click the link in the description to apply now.